Hello. So I wanted to do a really quick video, maybe quick, I'm not sure. Oh, here. This, you guys have probably seen. It's the Idaho Murders Crime Scene Body Cameras. This is from the Law and Crime Network. And no, 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 go back here. I've been watching this so slowly, and you can hear him actually lay it down on the table. Nice. The handle. Good. I will just have to figure it out after. So maybe the other you can do it with your Okay. So I could be standing on it, but nothing on the table. See, not there.
Okay, stay back there, please.
I'm right here. See? So
Okay, stay back there, please.
first wanted to show you the knife and actually setting on that noise. That was him actually dropping it on the table. Take care. Bye-bye.